So this is a 2019 Ford Explorer, and both A-pillars, passenger and driver side on the exterior, cracked. And basically, to get them off there, literally, you're going to end up replacing top and bottom anyway. Just grab the top of the A-pillar on the outside, the plastic part, and just rip it off. It's broken anyway. It doesn't matter if you keep breaking it. And then underneath, there's these 8mm bolts all the way down. Take the bolts out, and then this piece comes off too. So I'm going to take this part off right now and then put the other one on and show you what it looks like with it installed. So here's the part number 4, the molding underneath, which is the only number you need is that, well, BB5Z7803144BA, and then the exterior part on the passenger side is BB5Z7803144AA. If you notice, the only numbers that change is the BA and the AA on the passenger side. Those two mate together, and typically whenever you pull the exterior panel out, it breaks the bottom anyway, and that's the only way to do it. Here's the new one installed. And then basically the new one on the exterior, you just snap in, but you got to make sure that you take this piece out here, because there's a new part right there that clips into that hole. So I'm going to go ahead and take that piece out and then snap this exterior piece to it. And there's a little glue piece right here that will glue to the molding area. So make sure that molding right there is really clean. Maybe rub a quick swipe of rubbing alcohol down it, let it dry. Okay, so here it is installed. What I do is I kind of get the bottom lined up just a little bit, and then I go up to the top, make sure the door is open. I snap my top hole in, and then I line up the bottom, and I get it to go in. And then the reason they circle these little spots is that's where they want you to push. They don't want you to push in between because you can break it. Push on the little circle areas and snap it in all the way up. And make sure your trim piece here on the outside stays on the outside and not tucked up underneath it. But that's basically it in a nutshell. That's how to replace the inner and outer of the A-pillar exterior dress-up panels. Thanks, guys.